Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok offline. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, tap on your profile icon. After that, you have to tap on top right three lines. Now here you can see, now click on setting and privacy. Here you can see, now tap on this setting and privacy. After that, what you need to do, now here you need to scroll down here. Now scroll down and tap on offline videos. Here you have to download the videos which you can watch offline. After that, select the video here, how many videos you want to watch. From here select 200 videos. I watch this video offline. Now click on download button. In this way you can download. Now you can watch these videos when you don't have internet connection or you are offline. In this way you can use your TikTok offline. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next